Hi everyone, I hope that you're having a great day. Sometimes days are a little bit gloomy, things aren't going exactly as planned, and something shows up to turn things around. In this case, the mailman came and he's brought me a package. So let's open this up together and see what has come. If it's what I think it is, it's going to be a very special Egyptian revival piece, complete with packing peanuts. Let's rip right in. Don't worry, I'll be recycling those. Some other packages, and it is. So this is a wonderful compact. It's a little bit hard to see here, so I'm going to take you in closer and give you a little look-see while I look at it for the first time myself. Take a look at the beautiful construction on the top. There is a wonderful spun silver, and in the center there is a camel engraved on the silver. It almost looks like yellow. Take a look at the reverse. We can see camels, palm trees, and some boats, and even a little sun at the top. Beautiful details. The details on the inside are phenomenal too. You can see the reverse of that spun silver and even more engraving with a palm tree, city, and boat. Oh, and take a look at the detail around the outside. There's even more engraving. I'm going to need to research this piece to really finalize, what period I think it's from. I feel very lucky to be adding this piece to my personal collection. You have not yet had a chance to see all of my collection items. I didn't have a chance to showcase it in Egyptomania 2022, but there will be another iteration of that, and I'll be filming another video. But I will say, this wonderful 14 karat gold and green glass scarab ring is still available. If there's any interest, email me at sundaybaubles@gmail.com and we can chat about it. Otherwise, don't forget to enter my contest and you could win 1 gram of 0.999% fine silver with King Tut on it, plus a scarab bracelet. And that draw will be done on the 17th of March, which is St. Patrick's Day. All you have to do is go to my previous video where I talk about Hidden Valley Ranch and diamonds, leave a comment to enter. Hope that your day is looking up, and I'll see you all very soon.